Poltix Reparatieset is a repair kit that consists of a polyester resin, hardener, fiberglass, mixing cup and spatula. The Poltix Reparatieset is suitable for repairing small holes or reinforcing a polyester laminate. Always use the recommended personal protection during application. For small damage repair you can use Amofix or Poltix Superfiller. For medium damage, it is best to use Poltix Fiber Filler. For larger holes, you can use the Poltix Repair Kit or Poltix Laminating Resin Set with fiberglass. In this film we will demonstrate how to repair and strengthen a small hole in a polyester laminate. The surface is sanded. The edges are sanded to a bevel to increase the adhesion surface. After cleaning, degreasing and sanding, the surface should be degreased one more time with double coat degreaser. To remove the last specks of dust, you may use a tack cloth. Carefully open the packaging. Weigh the desired amount of resin in a mixing cup. Add the hardener in the right proportions, 100 parts by weight base and 2 parts by weight hardener. Mix the components thoroughly before use. Only mix as much as can be applied within the processing time. For each layer, the fiberglass cutout should be slightly larger. Apply the mixture to the surface using a brush. Place the Poltix fiberglass in the wet resin. Use a dabbing movement to press the resin into the fiber. Use the spatula to press air bubbles out of the laminate. You can apply multiple layers of fiberglass in one application. Repeat until the desired strength is reached. After 24 hours drying, the surface can be sanded with P120 sandpaper and degreased. The last bumps can be filled with Poltix vezelplamuur. After sanding the surface, it can be finished with Amopox HB coating or double coating. Best of luck!